What's up guys, Tandanalo. Today I'm doing another tutorial guys. Today I'm teaching moment Inkazimulo Yakho Igcwele Zulu. No Mhlaba. Hallelujah. But obviously iqala la ithi amandla angawakho nobungcwele. Okay, this is a C sharp tutorial. I'm gonna cover F sharp tutorial, also A flat tutorial. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Okay, the song goes, let me play like first Chord, then come back, break down the song. Okay, the song goes like this. It's 67. Okay, sorry for not sharing my settings. My settings walana 179, no jual, no octave on the main tone. So jual walana it's 398 normal, it's brightness, then +1 jual, volume ngibeke ku 83. So that's it, nothing else. Then my transpose is +3 right now. I'm using +3. So that's it guys. Do your settings while sing break it down ingoma. Pause the video, then do your settings, then let's break down the song. Okay, the song goes like this. Okay, sorry. Let us repeat it again guys. Okay, slower now. as time goes on, so put some minor chord. There is something to our minor chords, okay? One is this. So the song goes like that on the right hand. Okay, now Lil Zulu Duma. Hope me link Pazamis. Okay, let me finish this song. Now okay, left part. Watch that. Last time this young Pazamisa Lili Zulu bafethu explain this song like further. Right now izulu liyangiphazamisa. I'll need to shut down this equipment. I don't want to for the keyboard. So that's it, guys. Continue to learn. Forgive me for not uploading. It's been like weeks now not uploading. Forgive me, guys. I've lost my rhythm. So yeah, thanks, guys. Please subscribe to your channel, hit the notification icon. Keep on supporting me, guys. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Thanks. Wait for more like content. Yeah, maybe when this weather like comes down, I'll do more video. I'll do more tutorials. I've listed in this paper many requests and many like song requests. Yeah, I'll do more videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Too. Have a hand sanitizer. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Sharp.